What up, guys? It's your boy Dope Chris, and right now I'm about to head out to the bank. I need to pick up some money real quick. I need to get my car serviced today. I need an oil change on it. I also have my OG off today, so we're gonna see what's up with that. We might do something later, so stay tuned for all that, and let's get it.
My whole team and my whole team gon' eat.
Tension I feel when I go on the road.
Attention I feel when I wear product to my toes. Attention.
And just like that, we done. Alright, I'm gonna take us to Denny's. We're gonna get something to eat and we're gonna head out. You gonna bring your quarters or whatever?
What you doing now later?
Might as well. We'll go to Publix right quick and then from there we'll go to Denny's. Cause it's still on that same road. I can tell by the way you carry yourself, you never sold no dope. My mama beat my ass and clean my mouth with soap. Now she pull up the work in the Balenciaga coat. Yo, it's gonna rain. It's gonna pour. Scattered showers. What do you mean scattered showers? In Florida? When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. Somebody what? They bumped it? What? You for real? You didn't do this? Man, they bumped Tito's car, man. We about to fade it out here. That's tragic. Tragic. That's why you don't. Hey, yo, chill. I'm about to get copyrighted. Alright, I'm gonna follow you, whatever. Yeah. Man. Quick lesson for you guys. Don't buy foreign cars. Don't buy any expensive cars, because if they get scratched, that's it. It's not. You ain't getting nothing out of your car. Your car don't make you money, so remember that. And on top of that, it's just a car. If you got a car that gets you from point A to B and back, you straight. That's all you need, man. You don't need all that extra stuff. I wish I learned my lesson. Because a car that can get you from point A to B and back, you're straight. Look at what that's saying, man. That's why I gotta go get this service. My thing telling me I need an inspection and a service, so oil change, all that. That's where we about to go now. Let's get it. We might go to Denny's first though, so. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. It's for the day, Junior. Oh man, I love messing with Tito. It's pouring out here, let's go. He got a whole trash can in his car. Not too bad today. I thought he was gonna have like 3 bags, 2 beer cans. Yeah. Yeah. Do work. Alright guys, how much you think is in this? Put it down in the comments. Whoever gets the answer, I'll pay him out. You gotta guess it right though. Put it in now. If not, you ain't getting it. 10%. Tito said what? $60? I'm gonna go with 61. 61. 61.41. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go ahead, dump it. I said 61.40. You got some quarters in there? 57.96. That's the verdict. But don't. You said they take out money, right?
Yeah, sure enough. Yeah.
No. $57.96. If you got that right, I got you with $57.
No,
Alright, so
I told
the,
him.
they take out $5 for our hard work of saving this. Oh man, grand total was $52. How you feeling, Tito?
Lunch money.
Lunch money? This is where they cash you out here? Customer service? Let me see that. 52.16. I thought it was gonna be in the 60s, man. Guess not. They're pretty close.
That's close.
Alright, so with that $57, let's go food shopping. I want some cold cuts. Some Sprite right there. Feel like, yeah, I ain't trying to hear that. But just fill up on a lot of soda, man. A whole bunch of soda over there. You with it? Get some popcorn and soda. Go to the movies. It's raining. It makes sense. I mean, Denny's got the special. That's what I'm saying. We do that. Alright, we about to go to Denny's. Alright, I'm gonna follow you. Denny's it is. About to head up to Denny's now. Oh, chill. Chill, stop raining. Stop raining. Please. Alright. Tito got a couple dollars because of he was saving some bread and quarters and all that and coins. Now he got $57. See? Save your quarters. Save your coins, man. They add up. Let's get it.
Hello, Hans. How are we doing today?
Hello.
Good. My name is CJ. I'm gonna take care of you. Fresh coffee, Coke, Sprite, orange juice,
I have a Coke.
You have orange soda?
Fanta orange. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. You ready or a few minutes?
Yeah, we're ready. You still got that
Silver Slam.
was it $5.99?
Mhm.
Yeah, let's get
Hey, what's
that.
your egg time?
I'm scrambled.
Scrambled banana cheese, spinach, mushrooms, or onions?
No, it's fine.
All right. What about for you?
And I'm gonna have the same thing with fried eggs and then medium.
Over medium eggs?
Yeah.
And any chocolate chips in your pancakes?
No, I'm gonna have the plain ones. And can we make the all bacon?
All bacon, sure. Go, Hans.
Thank
Enjoy
you so
it.
much. I appreciate it. Alright, Tito, I see you. Wait, you got the same thing I got. Dun dun dun. Yeah, we about to rip this up. Head out to see what's up with my car. And who knows for the rest of the day. Let's see where life takes us. Right, Tito? Alright, we just got out of Denny's. We're about to go to that spot, right? The dealer? Alright.
You gotta get there?
Not really. I don't know how to get there. We're gonna have to Google it. You Google it, I follow you. Alright. On our way to the dealer. Gotta get the car checked out. Alright guys, we just got out of Denny's, finished our food. We're about to head out to the dealer. Try to see what's up with my car. They're saying I need an oil change and an inspection. The car is at least. But I just got this car in February, so there's no way in hell I put that much miles for it to need an oil change already, because the dealer's supposed to do that. So we're gonna see what's up.
Always. What's your phone number again? Give it to me again.
862 26.
How many miles you got on it?
I have, it's about 23.4.
Yeah, it's just gotta be reset, that's all. Because they changed it. Right here, look. Synthetic LOF at 22,391 miles.
Yeah.
It was changed.
It's changed, man.
Yeah, they put a cabin air filter in it. They did the value inspection. They did the oil change. They put new wiper blades. They did an alignment, a rotating balance, new the cabin filter, and yeah,
So you did everything, but you just didn't reset it.
that's it, brother. So it just needs to be reset. You could probably just go in the owner's manual and reset it, but let me see if I can get them to reset it for you.
Yeah, that'd be great if you guys could.
Where's
do
the
it for me.
keys? Where's the car?
It's right.
Do me a favor. Bring it right here in the service drive.
All right,
All
perfect.
right, buddy, and I'll get it done for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah, I'm right here.
I'll be back in a second. Alright, good news about my car. I don't have to get any oil change. I just gotta reset it. Great news for me. Yeah, you already know, man. That's another L I don't have to take. And I believe I said this, man. A car don't mean nothing. Most of my boys got hoopties. I'm sorry, Pierre, I'm putting you on the spot. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with having a hoopty. No cap. So, yeah, if you upset that you don't have a nice car or whatever, it's all good, man, because a nice car don't mean nothing. What means more is your family, yourself, your health, and things like that, man. Not really a car. Car don't mean jack. I just got a nice car because I don't know, I wasn't thinking straight. I'm pretty sure if I would have just got a hoopty and like 5 years from now my dream car is a Lamborghini truck, I could have had it. But you know, again, it's still my decision to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, because if somebody scratches my car, I'ma cry, especially on a Lamborghini truck. So I might just save my money on that and keep this car forever. It is my first car ever, so it does mean a lot to me. But every time I get a little incident on it, maybe a little scratch on my car, I start going through it, man. I start stressing. So I would suggest you guys just save your money. Get a car that could get you from point A to point B and back. And that's it. You straight. You don't really need too much else, man. Because again, like I said, it's not worth going through the hassle of having a really nice car and let's say somebody sideswipes you or scratches your car by mistake. You don't want to be going through all that, man. That's you know, stress that you shouldn't be going through. So again, just get a car that could get you from point A to point B and back, and you should be straight. Oh, yeah.
Can you move it up a little bit, please?
Yeah, no problem. All right. Perfect. All right. Bet it. I am the first YouTuber out of Patterson, New Jersey. That's a fact. Can't nobody take that. No cap. I'm the very first. The one, the only. Dope Chris in the building. 973, baby. You already know. You gotta be proud of me for that alone. Right, Tito? The first, I'm a pioneer out here. I don't see nobody else in Patterson doing it. And that's a fact. Fendi fact. I'm about to go to Aventura Mall, buy a whole outfit of Fendi. Because everything I say is facts. Let's go. My baby. Since February.
The airbag light on the front, the airbag light? Go put it back over here and check it. Check it, the airbag.
Yeah, I never seen that. And that's safety, so gotta check that. Airbag, we need those. I knew something was up. He turned it on. He's like, lower the window, turned it on. I was like, oh boy. Yeah, it looked like it was gonna rain today, so I could see why it's raining.
Man, of course, when I'm my day off today.
Gonna Yui that around. Look at this dude. What are you doing? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Thank you, appreciate it.
They're driving the car around in the rain to the car wash.
Yeah, that's facts. That is facts.
Yeah.
They're like, we're gonna save money on the car wash now. Oh man, it's picking up too.
It's funny. That's funny. I just got back in time.
Yeah, you would have been in that. Oh, it would have been hit for you. Tito would have been walking in the monsoon.
Here they walking around.
But it's charging right now, the computer, because it takes a special piece of equipment for the Volkswagen. So you're just gonna have to bear with me, brother, while the computer charges up, so I can see why this other light came on. It had to be for some stupid reason, I'm sure.
Well, this is we don't get charged for none of it, Toy.
No.
I'm just
I'm
trying to
charging,
say.
guys.
I'm just, you know, it's
I'm
question
doing the
gotta be
right-
asked.
I'm doing the right thing. I'm doing the right thing, but I'm gonna need a little bit of time, guys.
And how little is this? Like,
Couple hours, about 2 hours. I'm being straight up. It's got 20. How many miles? 24.
Right now it's at 23,400 or 23,500.
what do you put, like 2,000 miles maybe on this car?
1,000. Because it was
1,000?
22.4 when I got
Yeah,
it.
he didn't put much on it.
That's what I'm saying. And all these lights come out of no miles.
And then he just came in. We did a battery, right?
Yeah. And none of them were on then either, so.
You know, we'll do the right thing.
Just
That's
sitting
the
out here.
thing. We good?
Yeah, you good, guys. I'll let you know.
I bet. I appreciate you.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
No problem.
Is that right?
Garage with it. The garage.
Take it off and send it to fucking Volkswagen.
I can go around and grab it? Alright. Got everything I need.
All right, buddy. I'll walk you out this way.
Alright, perfect.
You go, my friend.
Thank you so much,
Alright,
man. I appreciate the help.
Let you know.
Thank you. That man right there is good help. I appreciate him a lot. That's the goat. Bless you. Yeah, we out. I was like, you know what? Let me grab all this stuff. He said something about when I was in there. He said you gotta take it to the Volkswagen dealership. Like I was hearing the dude that was working on the car, because like all they did was like check the engine or check whatever. And I started looking at him. I was like, what? I don't know, but you better fix that. We ain't coming here with. I even got it on camera. Actually, I'll go back and check tape. You know, I check tape.
I got a thing that you got to make an appointment for the Volkswagen anyway. It's a recall on the light or some shit.
But yeah, if anything, they're gonna be like, yo, were these lights on before? I'm like, you want to check tape, buddy? I checked when I started up the car.
It never came on.
Never came on, so.
They got Volkswagen. I know.
They're gonna have to fix that, man, for
I
real.
got a car that you gotta make an appointment to get your car. It's free. It's a recall on the light something. I don't know. It's the light.
Yeah, we're gonna have to see what's up, man. Cause when I heard that, I was like, huh? They took me in the garage too. So I saw, like, I went into my car and they were already fixing. They were working on it. And he was like, oh, they gotta take it to the Volkswagen because all we did was do whatever. I forgot exactly what he said. But I was looking at him like, what? I got it on tape. I checked that on tape too.
Why you just say, what do you mean you got to take it?
Your boy Dope Chris don't got time for this. I don't play that. Not up in here. But alright, man, we about to leave the service department. We might go back to the crib and grab my computer and head out to the mall. So let's see what's up with that. Alright. While my car is getting serviced, me and Tito about to get some drinks, head out by the pool, and just chill for a little bit until my car is done. About to go to ABC Liquor Store and get some drinks real quick. Head by the pool. Enjoy life while we still here. Cause you never know, man. You never know. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. Don't give me that. Uh-oh.
More than 20 artists, 2 nights, 1 stage. Watch live Friday, September 20th and Saturday, September 20th.
All right. Oh, let's do this. All right, let's do this. What you talking about my fanny pack for, bro? Oh my God! What you talking about my fanny pack for, bro? Oh my God, Judo, you made funny. You made funny there. Oh my God. Yeah. That's hilarious. Hello.
Hello.
We have absolute juice. Yes. Would you like to try? Can
Yeah,
I
I'm
just see
definitely
your
trying this.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect. Okay. And would you like to try? We have apple or strawberry? Apple or strawberry.
I'll do strawberry.
I'll get an apple.
Do you want it mixed or do you want it straight?
What is it? What's the drink?
Strawberry vodka. I recommend mixing it with lemonade.
Strawberry or what's that?
The apple I recommend with the club soda. You can put lemonade with the apple too. It's not
No, I
bad.
want to just try the apple.
Yeah, you can mix mine.
With lemonade?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect.
I don't like mine straight. Any drinks?
Let me know what you think.
Maybe do it.
Bet. Hey, cheers. You want to do it? You drunk yours already?
No, man. I mix a little bit of it. That's cool.
Splash.
Like, that's not right, man. Where's the courtesy?
What do you think?
What's your thoughts, Tito? Let them know. It's good. I like it.
So it's actually a really good sale right now. It's on sale for $17.99. Plus there's a manufacturer coupon for $3 off. And if you buy 2, you get $6 off of the total. So it ends up being $24 for 2 bottles.
If I was an absolute vodka drinker, I would go with it.
The strawberry lemonade is my favorite combination.
Yeah, that's it, right? This,
Yeah, the strawberry lemonade is my favorite.
But that thing's.
It's all right. But bro, you drinking my drink.
Your is flawless, by the way.
You drinking my drink.
Your is flawless, by the way.
You drinking my drink.
Your is flawless, by the way.
Oh my, thank you, appreciate it. I mean, I gotta get them done. I used to bite my nails a lot. That's why I started letting them grow.
That's what I do. I bite them so I get the acrylic so you can bite over it.
I see that.
Look at that. See? Girls be looking at the mirror.
See, that's why.
That's why I comb
That's
my
why I
nails.
let mine grow. See, I got a compliment from her on my nails,
Like this.
and my nails aren't the best right now. So,
These are the best.
to all the fellas out there, grow your nails. Make sure they nice. Thank you, I appreciate it. I could throw this out someone. Thank you. I appreciate it though.
You're very welcome.
What's your name again?
Anna,
Anna. My name's Chris. Nice to meet you.
nice to meet you.
How you doing?
How are you? Alright, we entering the cigar room now. See what Tito about to do. They got a whole lot of choices up in here.
Look,
What is that?
fluid, like the one.
DW40?
It's fluid, the lighters.
Oh,
I don't.
well, it's too late for that. I don't chief anymore.
Yeah.
It's too late, Tito. Your time's up. I gotta think Tito's famous.
See, these joints don't know how to, they don't know, like, Scott knows a cigar, man. Scott, oh, this is an hour long. This is an hour and a half long. Oh, this is a good one.
Stick to what you know best. If you ask me, I would do one of these. The Ray Lewis joints.
See that?
That's dope.
Right, knows money right there.
I always like these big cigars because they remind me of like flares. You going with that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. I was gonna get another one, but that's all right. I'm good. I'm gonna get one when I go to.
Shoot.
to
You let me pick one out for you or no?
You gonna go on? You going?
I'm gonna just go with one that I mean, how much is that Ray Lewis one? $11. Ooh, for a cigar. Let me find out. Yo, Ray Lewis, how much they cutting you for that? I need one of those. 1738. Now the question is, do I get the big bottle? Say again? Yeah, I'm recording myself though.
For my life.
And I'm like,
Can I get a the Remy bottle went up in price?
so I can't
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it. Can I get the 23 bottle of Remy? Yeah. No, the other one went up.
Oh no,
Yeah.
it's on sale.
Oh, it's on sale? Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
The tag is just
Yeah, I was like 44, huh?
$37.99.
37, but
Yep. I just need your IDs.
Okay.
for real.
Phone number for your
963
973.
342.
Well,
I look underage.
you don't look 30.
That's right.
She checked me. I was like, nice. When she checked me, I need to see the ID of it.
Well, she had to.
I have no problem with it.
But she had to, part of her job.
Hmm.
I try to just come out of this. How much was this?
$74.
Look at the setup.
You like it? Appreciate it. I got a tripod and then the camera.
I was driving to North Miami Beach a couple weeks ago. I was helping out one of the stores over there.
Yeah.
And they actually had one of these laid out on the hood, duct tape to the hood of the car, and they're driving through the neighborhood, speeding up slow, and like slamming
man.
on the brakes. And I'm like, what are they doing?
They're definitely doing a YouTube video or something.
YouTube?
Yeah. I do YouTube videos.
Kind of YouTube. What's the content?
Anything like us going to the pool, maybe doing a challenge for YouTube, a taste test, anything.
What's the channel?
Dope Chris.
Sports?
Almost.
Almost.
What's up with the rewards machine?
They said they emailed me. I'm waiting. Play back.
That one, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Let me talk to see my store on there later.
Make sure you subscribe.
Alright, see you later.
I appreciate it.
There you go. Just it.
Hey, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you. Have a good one. All right. Successful trip at ABC Liquors. Got me a sub. Just like that. Now we turn up. Look at the Tesla right there. Tesla. Think we was gonna get an extra shot if we asked? Shoot, I might go back in there like, yo, let me try that. Might buy one next time. Let me get another taste test. No cap. Alright, we on our way back to the crib. About to get this turn up going.
Yeah, but you got to come up.
What that mean? Oh yeah, I gotta drive. The rear axle safety inspection.
Yeah, see?
Another recall letter via first class mail in early.
So they're going to take and get it fixed anyway. For free.
Alright, quick update. My car needs to go to Volkswagen to get serviced. So I gotta wait till Monday to get my car. It's Friday right now. But we chilling because they did a recall and they gotta fix my car pretty much. We got the letters right here. You know, so that's a good thing. They just called me. They say, yo, we're gonna have to keep your car to Monday because Volkswagen service department is not open on the weekends and it's a little too late to send it over now. So that's a good thing. The only bad thing is I won't have my car till Monday, which is not the worst thing in the world, but hey, it's whatever. But as of right now, Me and Tito about to go chill by the pool, and we're just gonna turn up a little bit. All right, as you can see, I'm all changed. I'm about to go to the pool with Tito. We're about to turn up a little bit.
Let's go.
I just got that Remy bottle and it's empty. You know what time it is. It's turn up time. Let's get it. All right, we at the pool with it.
Okay.
We at the pool with it. Where you want to go? Looking good, looking good. Oh, that would have been tragic. Hold up. That would have been tragic. I would have cried. Imagine if I fell in with a camera. I'm like, no. But yeah, we just got to the pool. Me and the OG. Now it's time to turn up. Oh, we lit. Yeah, we lit. I'm just living my best life. Backwoods make my chest tight. Yeah, I'm always a good mixer. Yeah, we by the pool with it. We about to turn up. Maybe if it gets a little hotter, I'll jump in. Who knows? We'll see what's up. Yeah, we just out here enjoying life, turning up a little bit. I might jump in. Who knows? We'll see. How many beers you drunk, Tito? How many is that? 3? 2?
2.5.
2.5. I still got my big jug over here. It's halfway done. What up, guys? I just wanted to let you know something real quick. Me and my OG had a little bit of a deep conversation over here by the poolside. You know, we pretty much talking about how people don't support, but they'll hate on you for literally nothing, for no reason. So I just wanted to let you guys know I do appreciate you guys. Whoever's watching my video now, whoever's supporting me, whoever's subscribed to the channel, whoever's left a comment, whoever's left a like on my videos, it does mean a lot to me, man, because I come from absolutely nothing, and for you guys to support me, it does mean a lot. It means the world to me, so I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys, and I'm going to just keep pushing for you guys, man, because I'm going to look back and be like, man, the few people that were in my comments, thank you so much, because you're the only reason why I'm still doing this. You're the only reason why I'm still pushing, and it's for you guys, man, so thank you, and I appreciate you. Alright, me and the OG about to head out. He's emptying his cooler. About to probably chug my drink. And we're gonna head home, pick up my mom, and probably go grab something to eat real quick. And the day off. You already know.
One beer in here too?
No. Don't say that crap.
You're drinking heavy, man. Hey, cheers.
What? Don't tell nobody. That thing's good beer, man. Light in calories.
bit of alcohol.
So what is that? Low calorie beer?
Low calorie and high octane alcohol.
6% alcohol is it?
Yeah.
What's the normal? 6% or lower?
Lower than that. Bud Light's like 3%.
Tito out here getting loaded on that low calorie beer. I'm drinking Remy with cranberry. Somebody's screaming over here. Chill out. I should chug this. Chug, chug, chug. And flip me on the handstand real quick. Chug, chug, chug. That ain't happening. I mean, I'm 150, bro. You got me, right? You can pick me up. You got that. Do a little squats. Yeah, you got them guns. Be out there squatting me. Be like, all right, Chris, get on my back. I want to do a couple reps.
Break.
Let me know when you're ready. You gonna drink that one or? I bet. I mean, I was gonna jump in the pool, but it started raining like 3 different occasions out here in Florida, man. Can't cool it. Can I take a sip? And this is, it tastes like Heineken.
No.
I mean, all beers to me taste the same.
Light beer, diet beer.
That's right.
Okay.
I mean,
It's okay.
6% alcohol and I don't know. I'm not a beer drinker, so I don't know. You should do a taste test or a review on all the beers. It's like, all right, here's Corona.
Show for the company.
Here's Heineken. What you like about this one? Make a killing out here. For the
Don't want to hire me for that.
Hey, me and Tito's podcast coming very soon. No cap on that. Is it? They found it?
No.
Oh, they didn't find it? Go ahead. That's the missing girl in what, Patterson, right?
Somewhere in Jersey.
Yeah, somewhere in Jersey. If you recognize this girl or have seen her around, make sure you hit up the police in Patterson, New Jersey. She's on the, or she's missing.
Spread the word, people. Spread the word.
Facts.
It's your daughter. You want everybody to know. Let's get it.
That is also facts. I'm definitely drinking this. I ain't going out like no sucker. You gonna drink a whole can of beer before I finish this? Nah. But yeah, we about to wrap this up. Head home, pick up my mom, go out to eat real quick. I'll probably take you guys with me on that too, so this might be an extra long vlog. Who knows? We'll see what's up. Alright, we out. They need some light, man. The vlog needs some light. For the people.
We need to eat.
We going to BurgerFi because we hungry. And they just opened up a new BurgerFi by our spot. So we about to head out. Let's get it. Let's get it, Tito. We out. What do you mean while I'm taking that? Cause I'm a vlogger, baby.
Do we have a dinner time?
Yeah, we're gonna have a dinner time, but I'm just letting them know we about to go to the BurgerFi that just opened up near our house. So we're gonna, check them out. My mom likes BurgerFi. I'm a fan of Five Guys better. I like Five Guys better. But, for my mom, we're gonna go to BurgerFi. Hopefully I didn't scratch this lens. Trying to take
I
out
don't even know why you put the lens.
What?
I don't know why you even took that out.
Because I've been vlogging the whole day, Mom.
Okay.
You know? I gotta finish my vlog out. If anything, we go to Publix and get some sandwiches. Yeah, you like that option, huh? Oh, chill out, bruh. Chill out, bruh. But that, yeah, move it along. I got that Glockiana on me. Oh, see that Porsche right there in all black? I like that. I like that. Okay, okay. Burger 5, we pulling up. We pulling up. Burger 5. Yeah. Me and the family about to head out to Five Guys. Get some food. We call it a night. What happened?
Let's get in Chris.
Hop in the vlog, Tito. Come on. Alright, guys. We're about to head out to Burger 5.
Can you put some this thing?
Alright, guys. We're about to head out to Burger 5. Try out this food. You know, it's the grand opening of the Burger 5 by our crib, so we had to check it out, get some good service. I keep a battery on standby for exact reasons like this. My battery about to die, it's on 6%. And I got a battery, and boom, we're back with a 100% battery. I just replaced my old one, got a new one. About to grab this food, eat it up, and head out.
I'm sorry, what do you want in your, what burger do you want? You want to look at it and pick it?
Yeah, I got you.
You want, now your fries, you want
The handcuff fries with the cheese on it.
and then I can
There you go.
Man, I appreciate it. I definitely want you to support me. On that side. I know, man. That's all you can do, right? Yeah. Hey, I'm trying to come up. Subscribe. When I get off of work, I'm going to check out the channel, right?
Shout out to Bro, man. Shout out to Keith. We gonna make it big, bro.
Free bacon, and then I have a single burger with ketchup, lettuce, and tomatoes, and a single cheeseburger with ketchup, lettuce, and tomatoes. 2 fries with herb, and the side is the garlic.
that's that you don't need, yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
So y'all like that cheeseburger?
The 2 in the back is the single, and this one right here is the cheeseburger.
Which one's a bacon cheeseburger?
This one, I see bacon here. This is bacon.
Only one of them has bacon in it.
Here, Chris, I think that looks like bacon. The big one.
I
got my burger.
Finally.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's excited.
Alright.
Oh my god, these fries look so good.
How is it? First bite.
Yummy.
You gotta bite before everybody. I'm about to dig in. No talking. This was Burger 5. Shout out to Burger 5. I'm about to come up on the lick out here. No cap. Meeting a lot of people out here, man. She wanna be in the vlog? She can be in the vlog. Hey, what's your name? What is it? Okay, my name's Chris. Nice to meet you. You got me on the vlog, right? Thank you so much. I appreciate you. She's so cute. Oh man. It's lit. It's lit.
Was everything okay?
Oh yeah, everything was amazing. I'm about to come out here tomorrow so I can get my free burgers. No cap.
We call ahead of time. Yo, send me a spot.
Ahead of time, listen, I'm about to be there in 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be ready.
Yo,
For real.
don't keep my line up, man.
I'll be here before 11.
You guys do frisbee or glasses,
Oh yeah, we do it all.
bracelets?
Yeah, we do it all. Alright, man, I appreciate you.
Drink beer.
I was just gonna snatch one up for
Can I get another wristband? Thank you. Hey, shout out to Burger Fry, man. We're getting the hookup out here.
Thursday.
That's the
You got
manager.
a burger and beer Thursday. Burger and beer. Yeah, live music outside. Burger, fries, and a beer, $10. Nah, live acoustic. You the DJ?
DJ,
You need a card.
working out here.
I'll definitely throw you into the mix without a problem. The only thing is I gotta pay you for corporate.
Shout out to Burger Fry.
You gotta
I'm a real man, so I don't care about it.
yeah.
So money wise, I don't care about it. I just like to.
No, sure.
You know what I'm saying?
That's awesome.
No problem.
Burger Fry, we out here. We about to get these free burgers, baby.
And I'm gonna have Yingling. It's gonna be here. So, it's gonna be a good night.
I just come back home.
We getting the hookup out here. Burger Fry. Shout out to Burger Fry.
Put you in a shopping cart. Just put you in.
Hey, but I'll be here
Yeah,
tomorrow.
nice meeting you guys.
I'm gonna try to get those free burgers.
Yeah, man. Good to meet you.
Alright, we about to peel out of here. Alright guys, we just got out of Burger Fry. We was talking to the manager and I got me a free Burger Fry Frisbee. I also got a pair of shades. Yeah. And I also got this little wristband. And tomorrow I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna get my free burgers for a whole year. So let's get it. What up guys? I'm about to finally pick up my car. It's been a few days later, so I get to pick it up now. They finished all the add-ons that they had to do or whatever. So now I finally get to pick up my car. Alright, we're about to get our car. Finally. Hey Joe, what's up?
Hey, buddy. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm finally here for the car.
Oh, here it is, buddy. Here are your keys. Car's parked right outside there. You're good to go, buddy.
To the right here?
It's either over here or to the right over there. Yeah.
Alright, we got my car. Let's go. Hey, we got my car. Alright, they're gonna try to move my car because they can't find the keys to this big ass truck. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Alright. I just didn't want to take the chance because that shit was too tight for me, so fuck all that. Perfect. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too. Alright, we got the car back. Let's see what's up, man. Gotta make sure everything right. Alright, we got my car back. About time. A couple days later, we finally got it. Let's go. Bringing her home ASAP. Let's get it. We got my car. We about to head out. Finally. Alright guys, I'm on my way home. I got the car, finally got it. And I'm about to wrap up this vlog. It's your boy Dope Chris, and on to the next one. I'm out.